This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Battery renewal. Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release lever. Lift the bonnet slightly. Slide the safety catch to one side, then fully raise the bonnet. Unclip the support strut and engage it with the bonnet slam panel. Slacken the nut, then using a twisting motion, pull the negative lead clamp from the battery terminal. Cover the battery terminal to prevent accidental reconnection. Pull up the plastic cover, then slacken the nut and pull the positive lead clamp upwards from the battery terminal. Slacken the nuts and remove the battery retaining clamp. Note how the clamp legs engage with the battery tray. Fold up the handles and lift the battery from place. Take care as it's heavy. Maneuver the battery into position in the tray with the terminals at the rear. Refit the clamp, ensuring the legs engage correctly, then securely tighten the retaining nuts. Ensure the terminals and clamps are clean, then firmly press the positive lead clamp down onto the battery positive terminal and tighten the clamp nut, followed by the negative lead clamp. To help prevent corrosion, apply a little petroleum jelly to the battery terminals and clamps. Refit the plastic cover. Release the support strut and clip it back into place. Firmly close the bonnet.